Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make chicken cheese balls. And if you like my recipes, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation.
For chicken cheese ball we need chicken, breadcrumbs, onion, coriander leaves, ginger, green chili, garlic, salt, sugar, egg, oil, cheese cubes, all-purpose flour or maida, cornflour, milk, cornflakes. Take a grinder jar and add chicken, onion, green chili, garlic, ginger, coriander leaves, breadcrumbs, and make a smooth paste of it. I have given all the measurements in the description box. Take it out in a mixing bowl. After that, add 1 tablespoon of oil, salt as per taste, sugar half teaspoon. It is optional but I prefer to use, and 1 egg yolk. Do not throw the egg white because we will be using it later. And mix it well. The chicken mixture should be tight. If you think it's soft, then add breadcrumbs to make it tight. Now keep it aside and take a grinder jar to make powder of the cornflakes. You can do this part manually, and it should be like this. Take it out in a bowl. Now you have to make a thick batter of cornflour and maida. So first mix these ingredients well, and then by adding little by little water, make a thick batter. The consistency should be like this. Keep it aside and make a smooth batter of milk and the egg white. The consistency will be like this. Now it's time to make the cheese balls. So first oil your hands and take a small amount of chicken. Roll it on your hand and put a cheese cube inside it. Now give it a round shape like a ball. First dip into the maida and cornflour batter. Then in cornflakes powder. Coat it very nicely. Then in the egg white and milk batter. And again in the cornflakes powder. Coat it very nicely. And keep it aside in a plate. Now follow the same process and make rest of the chicken cheese balls. Follow the steps carefully. If you do double coating, then it will be very crispy. And you can store it for 4 to 5 days in fridge. Now the chicken cheese balls are ready to fry. Heat a pan and add a good amount of oil. Add the chicken cheese ball and fry first on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Rotate and flip in between. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, fry on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Fry the chicken cheese balls until the color turns into nice and golden brown. It will take 8 to 10 minutes. Now turn off the heat and take it out in a kitchen towel or any clean paper. Now follow the same process and fry the rest of the chicken cheese balls. Chicken cheese balls is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.